Are you ready to spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars on a full pantry makeover? No? Yeah, me either. In today's video, I'm showing you 3 of my favorite super inexpensive products for organizing those deep pantry shelves. No renovation or tools required. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine and I help you live a life with less clutter so you can have space for the things that truly matter. If your pantry has shelving that is 16, 20, even 24 inches deep, your food items and kitchen accessories are just going to get lost. Now, there are some lovely products and renovations that you can do that cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Or you can keep your existing pantry and create a ton of space and have full accessibility to all the items in your pantry with products that cost less than $20 or even $10. No more losing food in the back of your pantry, only to find it years later after it is no longer any good. So there are 3 products I use all the time to organize those deep shelves in kitchen pantries. The first one is this handy little inexpensive pantry bin by IKEA. I think it's pronounced Verera, but if that's not the case, put that in the comments below and let me know the exact pronunciation of this word. The Verera bin comes in multiple sizes, and the large bin is a little over 13 inches long and will hold a ton of stuff. In my own pantry, I use one for pasta, I use one for flour, I use one for canned goods, I use one for snacks. It has a smooth front, unlike a basket, so I can easily label it. And I can pull it forward using this little handle to reach all the things in the back. I just love it. The second product I use all the time is a turntable or a Lazy Susan. This is a classic organizing device because it allows you to access things that would otherwise be out of reach. I use mine to easily have accessible dry goods that I've decanted, like beans and rice, or access to all my superfoods so I can make my workday smoothie. You can get these at the Container Store, but be mindful of the size that you need. You can see a lot of these are about 10 inches wide. So also check Amazon for turntables that are 16 inches or even 18 inches deep. And that will allow you to maximize all of that wasted space that you currently have in your pantry. So just make sure you measure your shelves before you buy. Now, the third product that I absolutely love and use all the time is an under-shelf basket. Now, I know this video is about the depth of your shelves, but I find in pantries with fixed deep shelving, you also lose a lot of vertical space because the shelves are spaced too far apart. The fix for that is an under-shelf basket. Use it to contain another category like bags of chips or potatoes and onions. It fits well with the IKEA bins to keep everything you need at your fingertips. So for less than $100, you can utilize these 3 space-saving products: the turntable, the IKEA pantry bins, and the under-shelf baskets. And you will no longer lose things in your pantry, and everything will be within reach. So where do you need more space in your home? Is there anything you just can't figure out how to organize? Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on downsizing, minimizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.